Go ahead.
Say bye, Mom.
Mama.
Bye.
Where you going, Charlotte?
Hiking.
Hiking. Who you going with?
Mama.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's go.
Be careful getting turned around.
Ready? Go around them. You follow me, okay? This might be the end of our journey right here. All right, ready? All right. Papa might have to carry one pole. Oh, he can't. All right,
Go around.
Papa,
I'm gonna go around. I think you can let her walk over here, Sue. Just let her walk over here. Hi, Shar.
Stay over by the trees. Okay, keep over by the trees. You're good. This is just the hardest part right here. Okay. You're good. I have your coat. All right, we get to step over.
Step over it.
Come on. Step over. Good job.
Stay to the side. Stay to the side.
Stay away from the water. All right, we made it. Down.
Hi, guys.
Going. Over here. Come up here. Okay, go under. Careful. Uh-oh, how am I going to get under here?
You're
I
good.
have to walk like a duck.
Backpack.
Ooh, ouch. Ooh, watch out for that.
I can stay out.
Charlie, having fun?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Hiking.
Hiking?
Car. Oh, here's some Carson's box. Look, too much ice, so we have to go up on the side, right? Okay. Ooh, did that branch get you? Stay away from that ice. Go sideways. Sometimes we have to go sideways like this. Okay. Lots of branches. Just lift your legs. Step over. No, you're doing a great job. Step over. Good job.
I hear them coming. Here they come.
Good job. Good job today.
Wait till Charlotte sees this next spot. She might not be too happy about this next spot.
Trees all above us.
Is that like a tunnel, Charlotte?
Turtles say, Papa, that is a nice tunnel.
Yeah.
Oh boy, look what's in front of us.
What do we do here, Charlotte?
We have to take a side track.
We gotta run right through the water?
No way. Too cold.
Gotta go through this little trail here?
All right, who's going
All right.
first?
I'll go.
Wait.
Here they come out of the woods from bushwhacking to get around the water. Come on, Char.
There you go.
Wait till you see
Stay
what's
away from the
what's behind Pop Pop.
water. Uh-oh, what's behind Pop-Pop? More water. Okay, we just stay to the side. Follow Pop-Pop up on the side.
I will go here.
Huh?
Whoa. I think I go on the bigger.
You're going to go in the bigger spot? Okay, slippery. Ready?
Char, you on your first bridge crossing?
Yeah, look at the water. Isn't it so clear? Let's see, is there anything in there? I see some stones and some leaves. And look, it's moving. Do you see the little ripples in the water? That means the water's moving. That's good, huh? So if we forgot our water, we could use a filter and drink that.
Hi. Talking a mile a minute.
You could be super quiet through here, she said.
Yeah, that's a long wet spot. Let's see what Charlotte says to do.
Now we're going to go up in the woods again.
Oh, Mama.
It's okay, we're going to go through the woods.
So,
There's another little trail right here.
Oh, Mama.
Follow me.
where are we gonna go, Charlotte?
The playground.
Gotta go through the woods?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh.
Quack, quack, quack.
Charlotte, look at the water you made it around. Look over there, look how long it is.
Good job.
Go ahead and look.
Go peek over there and look at the water.
Wow, look how far that was.
Wow, we went on a big trail.
To find our playground.
That was the only bad spot that I
follow
remember, so hopefully we don't have any more water the rest of the way to the lake.
You lead the way then.
Mama.
Alrighty.
Oh, look at over there.
Big leaf. There's a pine cone here. Pine cone.
It looks like a baby fall off that tree.
Probably did fall off the tree. Little tiny tunnel here.
Mama,
Yep.
I don't want my glasses.
Don't want them on? Fine.
I can see anything without my glasses.
I'll go put them in my pocket, okay?
Mama.
My pockets are really full today.
Mama,
Yep.
give me back my glasses when I get to your place.
Okay. I'll have them in my pocket if you need them.
Ah, somebody cut this tree down. Last time we were here, you had to climb over this tree. They got it all cut down now. Nice.
Did you freeze him too? You did it? Okay, then we'll have to keep looking. I see him. He's hiding from us. Where? You go up and walk right past him. Pretend he's not there. Just keep going. You find the way. Keep going. Just keep going.
Got you.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. I can let that there.
Keep going.
Papa, this is that.
Are you excited about having mac and cheese today?
Yeah, instead Papa looks like a tree.
Pop-Up's over there looking like a tree.
He looks like a tree.
I hope a birdie doesn't land on this, because birds like to land on trees. Huh.
And birds don't when he looks like trees. I have trees at my house.
Yes, you do have trees at your house.
All right, here we are coming up to the, I think this is a big bridge here in the East Creek Trail, right through the center of the cedar swamp. These cedar trees. It's slippery. It's covered with ice. It's a slippery one.
Papa,
What?
Pine cone.
pine cones.
Okay.
Tree falls off, so we need you to cut it off.
Now we got plenty at home. All right, nice and slow here. Let's see if we can get Charlotte and Sue in the background.
Have to turn around.
I don't think so.
Yeah, then we wouldn't get to the playground. You're right.
Look, we can get off that roof.
here a little more.
You.
Oh boy.
My fingers that big one.
Yeah. Oh, you got in the muddy. It's okay. All right, go up here. Up here, up here. As high as you can go. That way. You're okay, you're okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mommy can wash them. Go over this
Say it
side.
louder. What'd you say?
Mommy can wash your shoes. This way, outside this way. All right.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh my goodness, 12 years, you never.
I'm on Miss Charlotte going across the little bridge. Looking at the water.
On the other side. Look what color the water is over there. Is it reddish? Yeah. It's okay. Keep going.
What are you doing?
Oh, whoa.
Are you the leader?
What did you find?
More moss, Mama.
More moss. Yes, there is. Lots of moss in this part.
A trail moss.
Trail of moss. Keep going. Follow the trail of moss. It'll get you to the playground.
A trail moss right there, too. Okay?
I think my mom's got to buy you a new pair of sneakers.
What? Okay.
Charlotte. Come on. Can you say trails?
Trail. Ew.
You found me.
Keep going, cutie
I'll
pie.
think another one.
Another bridge. Here we go. She likes to go on the bridges by herself. Wait, don't hold
Mama,
her hand.
you gotta wait your turn.
Oh, I have to wait my turn?
You gotta wait your turn over here.
Okay. Just tell me when I can come.
Wait your turn.
I was just stepping over the root.
Wait your turn, okay?
Stay in the middle. Let me know when I can come up there.
Good turn.
Okay, my turn. When is it going to be Pop-Pop's turn? Not yet? Not yet, Pop-Pop.
Papa, not yet.
Okay.
Hi, Charlotte. What are you doing?
Pulling this thing.
Playing with the branch on the tree. We taking a little break.
Uh-huh.
Did you just have some animal crackers
Mm-hmm.
or cookies? Animal cookies.
Mm-hmm.
You having fun walking?
Uh-huh.
Is it nice out?
Yes. Uh-uh.
Nice and sunny. And the good news is I think we're out of all the mud. No more mud now.
Uh-oh.
Okay? Because we're going to be heading that way up the trail.
What's that?
And guess what? Charlotte Gurgel is going to be the trail leader. You the trail leader? Say bye.
Hi.
Here comes Charlotte and my mom. I think they're coming across the last bridge of the day. I think. Charlotte, you having fun? I can't hear you. Oh yeah, gonna go to the playground? Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Hey.
There goes Charlotte being the line leader again. She's reading the signs, telling us where to go. Aren't you?
Uh-huh.
Do you just have a nice snack?
Oh no. I think someone's going in my belly.
What's the matter? Okay, go get that Pop-Pop.
You have walking sticks? Are you walking like a hiker?
She left her old sticks at the break spot. You got your
Hi.
gut hook to tell us?
What are you doing, Char? You running?
You see a building? See the building? That's where Mama dropped our truck off at, on the building. Remember?
Uh-oh.
What is this up here?
Char, did you walk this whole trail by yourself? Are you a big girl? That was a big girl. That was a long walk for you, and you did real good. Go get my mom.
Were there some hard spots on the trail?
No!
Yeah, there were some hard spots. You had to go around the what? Big giant mud puddles? They were giant.
Did you scare her?
Was that the stick monster?
So where are the SUN?
In my pocket. Alright, look. There's the building. Are you looking around? You have to find all the landmarks to find the building. Now,
This doesn't look like hiking to me, Charlotte. I thought you were going hiking.
yeah, monkey bars. You like monkey bars? You want to try to climb this one? The one this side. You want to climb it? You got to put your feet on there and pull. Oh, see, it's slippery.
It's
isn't
slippery.
It?
It's gonna be too slippery.
Oh, well, I'll have to do it another day. And we can't even go in the swings. Look what's under them. A muddy mess.
Look at the muddy mess you're standing in right now. Look.
Ew, that's worse than the trail. All right, I guess it's mac and cheese time.
Sorry, you're in the water, babe. You're in the mud puddle. Watch
Honey,
out.
It's very wet. It's very yucky here today. Let's walk in this stuff and dry our feet off. Dry, dry, dry. I know, I wanted to have fun here too, but guess what happened? All the snow stayed at the playground. You're walking the snow, clean your feet. Clean your feet in the snow. You go on the slide one more time. Wait, come down here and clean your feet more in the snow. Go like this. Come down here, clean it. Clean, clean. Okay, then go back up. Be careful. Don't come down the slide, pop up. There's only one dry slide. Go ahead. Show Pop Up how you do it. They're clean, they're good. We cleaned them. Sit.
1, 2, 3,
Give a good push.
4.
Woo! Bumpies. Okay.
Okay, ready to go.
Ready to go?